This harness has to be fed back through here. It goes through here, through this hole right here. And I'm going to put them through one at a time. Before I do that, I'm going to tape this back up using a little Super 88, not a sponsor. Who would sponsor me? I just like it. I'm trying to save this tag right here. It has some numbers on it. So if I ever need that number, it's still there. Try and keep everything as stock as I can. I use all OEM parts if I can. I know they make filters that the cap's included, but I've heard sometimes those will leak. So I just bought the filter from the dealer. You know, a lot of times their prices aren't any worse than other places when it comes to things like that. So that's all taped up. So I have to put these through one at a time so they'll fit. That one. Like that. On there like that. Just came through. So basically the way we have it. I just push on. One is the heater and one is the water sensor. That matches that. So that's all ready to go. Filter that goes in there. FD 4595. Bottom autocraft. Must be a new roll ring in there. It comes with the new O-ring. It smells good. This just clips into the cap here. There's these places here where it clips in. That's all there is to that. This ring is not an O-ring and it's not flat. It's got a bevel on it. If you can see that, it's wider on the bottom than at the top. This piece of paper tells you which way it goes on, I think. You can read that, pause that and read that if you want. It's showing the bevel up towards the cap. So we need to put some diesel or something on this. If you don't put something on it, on this, it'll be hard to get that cap off later when you change it again. We're not filling it with diesel yet. Let's just let it fill itself. So get something to put on that seal. Just put some diesel on there. I had some that were still left in the old fuel pump. I decided not to put oil or WD-40 or something on it, just in case it affected the rubber. It's already deformed, right out of the box. Just put some diesel on there, or whatever you want to put on there. Put it on carefully to make sure that bevel stays up towards the lid. Looks like it is. Alright, I don't have the special tool that puts this on, so I just use a screwdriver. I may go ahead and just check it before I start it up, make sure it's tight. It's pretty tight. So there you go, it's all clean, ready to go. Holding it up too high. Hopefully nothing leaks. I'm not going to put it in right now. Put it in later, I still got a bunch of other things to do. Anyway, that's how you do that.